Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Coach Sara and I am joining you from Ikra College. We are based in Hargeisa and today I want to give you a lesson about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. But before I continue, I want to request you to join me for this lesson and more in my offline classes here in Ikra College. And if you are not in Hargeisa, you can join me at Zoom or Telegram or WhatsApp for our online classes. Intake is ongoing. Now let's start. An adjective, you can have good adjective, yani positive attribute, or bad adjective, yani negative attributes. Now for good adjectives, you could use the words good, but there are other synonyms which include nice, lovely, excellent, wonderful, and so you could say, for example, this is a wonderful book, yani a good book. This is an excellent idea. Okay, my brother is a nice guy. My sister is a lovely lady. So these are all positive attributes. But then we could also have something bad, something that makes you feel sad, and something that probably makes you feel angry. These words include the word bad, very bad. Now, when you want to use bad to the extreme, that is very bad, there are other synonyms of the word very bad. These words include horrible, terrible, dreadful. These three words can be used in place of very bad. Now, when do we say this? For example, you have gone to a hotel or a restaurant to eat and the food is not very good. So you could use the word horrible. The food was horrible. The food was dreadful, and perhaps the waiters too. They were not nice to you and you were very sad at the end. So, to give a review or to give a description, you could use the word dreadful. The waiters were awful. They were dreadful. They were not very nice to me. They were very bad. So, as a recap, very bad you can also use the words horrible, dreadful, awful. Now, you could also exclaim, yani show surprise or shock in a good way. Oh, how wonderful the lesson is today. That means very good. And you are surprised and you are showing exclamation. How awful the experience was at that hotel. Thank you very much, and please remember to give me how you feel about the day today. Give me an experience about a lesson, about the hotel experience, about the people you meet. You could use a good adjective, or you could use a bad adjective, or you could exclaim, and you could use a sudden shock. Join me in my offline classes and call Center 3034. Thank you. Have a good day.